am here at the Grove where I am about to eat some crepes. I can't wait because I'm really hungry. But I am here because I am on my way to go to the LACMA where I'm going to check out the Rain Room exhibit. I don't know anything about it except that it involves water. So, and apparently it's going to be really cool. So we're just going to go check that out. That looks so good. Oh, you just want the food? You don't even say hello to me, you just want food. Line starts here.
Ah, you have a brand new ticket?
Yes.
Free?
Yes.
Okay.
That's an elevator? How come I didn't get on that? What? Oh my gosh.
Okay, everybody get inside the rain room for 15 minutes. The guard gonna give you 2 minutes warning before your time is up. When your time is up, please exit in the back. Only 8 people at any one time under the rain. This is the rain, okay? This is where the water is pouring down. Only 8 people at any one time. I know you're gonna ask, you know why? More people, no rain. Right?
Yeah.
See, no rain, no fun. No fun, no rain room. Okay? Once the rain, spirit people, they're gonna go in.
Separate from each other. It's a big old room. Start from wherever you want. Don't have to start at the same area.
Wow. There's my dad in there. I'm going in. Whoa. I'm underneath the rain right now, but I'm not getting wet at all. Literally underneath the rain. With sensors, and you have to walk slowly so that it can detect where you're moving and then it'll stop dropping rain. But it's really cool to watch it just kind of stop as people walk by underneath. And that's how that works. That was really cool. I only got a little bit wet, but that was kind of, I mean, I've never seen anything like that before, so that was really cool. I wish I could stay there all day. I think that now I'm just gonna walk around the museum a bit, maybe check out some of the other exhibits. Gonna get in the big elevator. Here we go. We're gonna go to the second floor. I don't know. There's so much to do there. I only got to do like a very small percentage of what there is to do there. And the exhibits are always changing, so there's always new stuff to see there. But that rain room was super cool. I just got to Cafe Concerto here in Koreatown, and I'm gonna go have some hot tea because my throat hurts a little bit and I don't want to get sick. Also, I really love tea, so. If you enjoyed this video, then please give me a thumbs up to let me know. And if you like going to museums and have gone to a really cool museum, let me know which one you went to in the comments down below, because maybe I don't know about it yet and I might want to check it out. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe, because I am making videos every day for the month of December, so you don't want to miss out on that. But for now, I'm gonna go. So I will see you when I see you. Bye.